English is an international language which is understood all over the world. In these days, it became a necessity language. English is used to conversation with others. Many multinational companies needs people who has fluent English and also for many jobs. Today's objective is to teach you simple introduction structure to start talking and also get your fear out. So without wasting your time, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Tom.
Hi, I'm Tina.
Where are you from, Tina?
I am from India. And where are you from?
I am from America. Are you Indian?
Yes, I am. Are you American?
Yes, I am. Are you new here?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Tina.
Nice to meet you too.